Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about upgrading to an electric bike, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026. Carefully selected for performance, range, comfort, build quality, and overall value. Whether you're commuting through the city, exploring off-road trails, or simply looking for a smarter and more enjoyable way to ride, these e-bikes represent the future of personal transportation. Let's dive in and find the perfect electric bike for your next adventure. Hull! On number 1 is the OUXI V8 electric bike is a stylish, moped-style fat tire e-bike built for both adults and teens who want a comfortable, versatile, and fun ride for commuting and recreational adventures. Available in 16-inch and 20-inch fat tire versions, it features 36 volts or 48-volt battery options with 10.4 amperes, 15 amperes, or 30 amperes removable batteries, delivering an impressive 35 to 60 miles of range, depending on the battery size, terrain, rider weight, and assist level. The bike is UL 2849 certified, providing added confidence in its electrical safety and reliability. In real-world use, the OUXI V8 offers smooth acceleration and stable handling thanks to its wide, fat tires, which provide excellent traction on pavement, gravel, dirt paths, sand, and light snow. The removable battery makes charging convenient whether at home or the office, while the comfortable saddle and upright riding position reduce fatigue during longer rides. Its motorcycle-inspired design gives it a premium, eye-catching appearance, making it equally suitable for daily commuting and weekend leisure rides. Pros: long riding range of up to 60 miles with multiple removable battery options. Wide, fat tires provide excellent stability and comfort across various terrains. And UL 2849 certification, with a stylish moped-inspired design, enhances safety and everyday usability. Cons: larger battery versions increase the bike's overall weight. Charging time can be several hours depending on battery capacity, and top speed and range vary based on the selected model, rider weight, terrain, and local regulations. Overall, the OUXI V8 electric bike offers outstanding value for commuters, students, and recreational riders, making it a highly recommended choice for those seeking a comfortable, long-range, and versatile fat tire e-bike with modern styling, dependable performance, and certified safety. On number 2 is the Roadvo 26. Fat tire electric bike for adults is a high-performance all-terrain e-bike built for riders who want exceptional power, long-range capability, and confidence on both city streets and off-road trails. Equipped with dual 3000 double-up peak motors, a 48-volt 20-ampere removable lithium battery, 26 x 4.0-inch fat tires, dual suspension, and dual disc brakes, this electric bike is designed to tackle steep hills, rough terrain, sand, snow, and gravel while delivering a smooth and comfortable ride. With a claimed range of up to 80 miles, depending on riding mode, terrain, and rider weight, it is well suited for long commutes, weekend adventures, and outdoor exploration. In real-world use, the dual motor system provides strong acceleration and excellent hill climbing performance, while the wide, fat tires offer superior traction and stability across a variety of surfaces. The front and rear suspension absorb bumps effectively, improving comfort on uneven terrain, and the removable battery makes charging convenient whether at home or the office. The dual disc brakes deliver dependable stopping power, giving riders added confidence in different weather and riding conditions. Pros: powerful dual 3000W peak motors provide outstanding acceleration and climbing ability. Long-range 48 volts 20-ampere removable battery with up to 80 miles of riding capability, and 26-inch fat tires with dual suspension and dual disc brakes deliver excellent comfort, stability, and control on multiple terrains. Cons: the dual motor setup and large battery make the bike heavier than standard e-bikes. Charging a high-capacity battery takes several hours, and actual range and top speed vary depending on terrain, rider weight, weather, and assist level. Overall, this 26 fat tire electric bike for adults offers exceptional value for commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, and adventure riders, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking a powerful, long-range, and versatile electric bike capable of handling both daily transportation and demanding off-road adventures. On number 3 is the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket Electric Bike is a beginner-friendly electric dirt bike designed for kids ages 8 and up who want an exciting introduction to off-road riding. Powered by a 24-volt rechargeable battery system, it reaches speeds of up to 14 mph and provides approximately 30 minutes of continuous ride time at high speed. Featuring a realistic twist-grip throttle, hand-operated rear brake, 12-inch pneumatic knobby tires, and authentic spoked wheels, the MX350 delivers a genuine dirt bike feel while remaining easy to control for younger riders. With a maximum rider weight of 140 pounds, it is ideal for children and smaller teens looking for backyard fun or light trail riding. In real-world use, the high-torque chain-driven motor provides smooth acceleration and enough power to tackle grass, dirt paths, and gentle off-road terrain. The pneumatic tires help absorb bumps while providing improved traction and stability, and the steel frame offers durability for everyday riding. Its lightweight design makes it easier for young riders to handle, while the bright blue finish gives it a sporty, eye-catching appearance. Pros: beginner-friendly 24-volt motor with speeds up to 14 mph, durable steel frame with pneumatic off-road tires for a smooth and stable ride, and realistic twist-grip throttle with hand-operated brake for an authentic riding experience. Cons: ride time is limited to around 30 minutes before recharging. Maximum rider weight of 140 pounds limits use as children grow, and it is designed for light off-road recreation rather than challenging terrain or advanced riders. Overall, the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket electric bike offers excellent value for families looking to introduce kids to electric off-road riding, making it a highly recommended choice for young riders seeking a safe, durable, and fun electric dirt bike with reliable performance and easy operation. On number 4 is the ADISTAR. The electric dirt bike for adults and teens is a premium high-performance electric motorcycle built for riders who want powerful acceleration, extended range, and exceptional off-road capability. Featuring a 3500W peak brushless motor, a 48-volt 23-ampere removable lithium battery, and a top speed of up to 38 mph, this e-dirt bike delivers an exciting riding experience on trails, dirt roads, gravel, and open terrain. Designed with 14-inch front and 12-inch rear off-road wheels, full hydraulic suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes, it provides excellent stability, comfort, and precise control even on challenging surfaces. With an estimated range of up to 60 miles under ideal riding conditions, it is an excellent choice for both recreational adventures and longer off-road rides. In real-world use, the high-output motor offers strong torque for rapid acceleration and confident hill climbing, while the advanced hydraulic suspension system effectively absorbs bumps, rocks, and uneven terrain for a smoother, more comfortable ride. The hydraulic disc brakes deliver responsive and reliable stopping power, enhancing rider confidence in various weather and trail conditions. The removable battery makes charging more convenient, and the rugged frame is built to withstand demanding outdoor use while maintaining a modern, aggressive appearance. Pros: powerful 3500W peak motor, with speeds up to 38 mph for thrilling off-road performance. High-capacity 48 volts 23 amperes removable battery, offering up to 60 miles of range, and premium hydraulic suspension with hydraulic disc brakes for superior comfort, handling, and braking performance. Cons: heavier than standard electric bikes due to the large battery and reinforced frame. Charging the high-capacity battery can take several hours, and actual top speed and riding range will vary based on rider weight, terrain, weather conditions, and riding style. Overall, the electric dirt bike for adults and teens offers outstanding value for riders seeking a powerful, long-range, and feature-rich electric dirt bike, making it a highly recommended choice for off-road enthusiasts who want premium performance, dependable durability, and an exciting riding experience. On number 5 as the FARKAS electric dirt bike is a powerful off-road electric motorcycle designed for teens and adults who want strong performance, rugged durability, and an exciting riding experience on a variety of terrains. Equipped with a 3000W peak electric motor and a 48-volt 23-ampere lithium battery, this e-dirt bike delivers speeds of up to 34 mph, while providing an impressive riding range for extended trail rides and outdoor adventures. Built with full hydraulic suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and a reinforced off-road frame, it offers excellent comfort, stability, and control on dirt trails, gravel roads, grass, and uneven terrain. In real-world use, the high-torque motor provides quick acceleration and reliable hill-climbing capability, while the large-capacity battery supports long rides before requiring a recharge. The full hydraulic suspension effectively absorbs bumps and impacts, creating a smoother ride over rough surfaces. And the hydraulic disc brakes provide powerful, responsive braking for added confidence in both dry and wet conditions. Its aggressive dirt bike styling, durable construction, and comfortable riding position make it suitable for recreational riders, as well as more experienced off-road enthusiasts. Pros: powerful 3000W motor with speeds up to 34 mph for strong off-road performance. High-capacity 48 volts 23 Ah battery offers extended riding range with removable charging convenience. And full hydraulic suspension with hydraulic disc brakes delivers outstanding comfort, handling, and reliable stopping power on challenging terrain. Cons: the large battery and heavy-duty frame increase the bike's overall weight. Charging the battery requires several hours, and actual top speed and riding range vary depending on rider weight, terrain, weather conditions, and riding style. Overall, the FARKAS electric dirt bike offers excellent value for teens and adults seeking a powerful, durable, and feature-rich electric motorcycle, making it a highly recommended choice for off-road adventures, trail riding, and recreational outdoor fun with dependable performance and premium riding comfort.